Well. Look at this. I'm overjoyed this morning to go and pick cucumbers from my little garden. Wow. Well done, Marie. Well done. Life with Marie in America. Yeah. My garden. Whoa. To my garden to pick cucumbers. Look at that. Look at that, guys. The first cucumber from my garden. Look at that. Good. Look at that. So here, I harvest cucumbers, sweet pepper, and banana peppers. I think it's banana peppers. Wow. See, this is amazing. Or a pumpkin. It look like pumpkin. Or maybe a cucumber too. It's either cucumber or pumpkin. Wow. Look at this, guys. Just pick this from my little garden. So happy. I'm overjoyed. Yeah. 4 big cucumbers. Yes. Banana peppers. I think it is banana peppers and sweet pepper. Yeah. Wow. This is good. Good. Harvesting cucumbers. Yeah. Yep. This this is my handwork. Okay. What I plant, I reap. Yeah. Well. Look at this. I'm overjoyed this morning to go and pick cucumbers from my little garden. Wow. Well done, Marie. Well done. Life with Marie in America. Yeah. Here I'm making a quick pot. Yeah. Making a quick cook. I'm cooking corned beef. In the pot, I have peppers and onions, sweet pepper, red bell pepper, green red bell pepper, and onions and hot pepper, habanero pepper. And I added corned beef, corned beef from the tin. Yeah. So quick cook, corned beef with mixed veg and white rice. All right, guys, that's beautiful. See how that's looking beautiful? I'm gonna add a tin of mixed veg. Okay, yeah. So that's it. Corned beef with mixed veg and white rice over here. That is it. Yep. Just simmer a little bit. Mm-hmm. So it's corned beef with mixed veg. Yes, and peppers and onions. That is it. Hot pepper. Yeah. And I'll put a dash of black pepper. For corned beef, you don't have to add a lot of spices because it has a lot of salt in it. So I don't really add any other spice to it because it's already salty. All right. So that's it. Yeah. Quick cook. Yeah. You saute your vegetables and you add your corned beef and add your mixed veg, and it's ready to go. Yep, that is it. Yeah, and white done over here, ready to eat. All right, so that is it. It's popping. All right, yeah, good old corned beef with mixed veg. Yeah, that is it. All right, ready to eat. Okay, this is it. White rice, corned beef, and mixed veg. This is it. Yep, this is it. So the steam coming out of it. Ah, I'm telling you, it's nice. That quick pot. This is one of the quickest thing to run a boat with. We say run a boat. Run a boat means cooking quick. Cook a quick pot. Wash a cup of rice, put it on the fire, add your salt and whatever you add into it, oil or butter or nothing, just salt, and cut up your veggies and saute and just dash in your corned beef and dash in the mixed veg. And that's it. Put a little black pepper or a little salt or spice, whatever you want to it. It's optional. And that's it. Ready to eat. Minutes in less than an hour. You're ready to eat. Yeah? All right. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Okay? Life with Marie. That is it. Okay? Love you. Bye.